Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. How are you? I hope you will be fine. I am your assistant teacher Miss Safina. Various college PNT decided online classes during lockdown. Today we will discuss chapter 11 of your book, that is Other Religions. Contents are: what is religion, more about different religions, Islam, Christianity, Hinduism, Sikhism, Judaism, exercise book page 40 and worksheet number 8. First of all, I will discuss about what is religion. Religion, belief in God or the supernatural, means the supreme power which control all the world, but different religions have different gods. In the world, there are many religions, but the 5 religions are major, that is Judaism, Christianity, Islam, Hinduism and Sikhism. Religion, Islam. Student, you will study in previous class about Islam. Followers of Islam are called Muslims. Sami is a Muslim. The Muslim pray in a mosque. The Muslim offer namaz 5 times a day. The Quran is their holy book. Religion, Christianity. Followers of Christianity are called Christians. John is a Christian. The Christian pray in a church. They assemble in the church on Sundays to pray. It is called service. The Bible is their holy book. The priest reads from the Bible during the service. And the next religion is Sikhism. Followers of Sikhism are called Sikh. Gurjeet is a Sikh. The Sikh pray in a Gurdwara. Their holy book, the Guru Granth Sahib, is kept there. The priest in the Gurdwara recite the Gurbani, saying of the Gurus. The Sikh take part in Kirtan, devotional song and seek the blessing of their Gurus. And the next religion is Hinduism. Followers of Hinduism are called Hindus. Ramesh is a Hindu. Hindus worship in a temple. The Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita are the holy books of Hindus. The temples have idols of gods and goddesses. And the next religion is Judaism. Followers of Judaism are called Jews. Their holy books is Torah and is Urdu called Torah. They go to the synagogues. All these children belong to different religions and have their own places of worship. All religions teach us to love and help each other, so we should respect all religions. At the end, let's summarize the main idea and main point. What is religion? Belief in God or the supernatural, means the supreme power which control all the world, but different religions have different gods. In the world there are many religions, but the 5 religions are major, that is Judaism, Christianity, Islam, Hinduism and Sikhism. Places of worship of different religions. For example, Muslim worship in mosque, Hindus in temple, Christian in church, Jews in synagogue, Sikhs in Gurdwara. Now it's time to start our exercise from our chapter. Worksheet number 8, book page 40. Complete the following. In these you see words with missing alphabets. First one is Christian. Spelling of Christian is Christians. Christians. R in first blank and T is second blank. Number 2 is synagogue. Spelling of synagogues is Synagogues. Synagogue. Write S in first blank, G second and O third blank. Number 3 Gurudwara. Spelling of Gurudwara is Gurdwara. Write R in first blank, W is second blank. Worksheet number 8, book page number 40. Match the following columns. Muslim, go to mosque, match it with mosque. Christian, go to church, match it with church. Sikhs, go to Gurdwara, match it with Gurdwara. Hindus, go to temple, match it with temples. Jews, go to synagogues, match it with synagogue. And the next worksheet 8, book page number 40. In this picture, different alphabets are written. Join them horizontally, vertically or diagonally to make a proper word like synagogues, Gurdwara, church, Christian, Jews, worship and temples. Now solve this worksheet. Books and copies. I have home assignment to you. Read this lesson thoroughly. Also complete page number 40 on your textbook and your copies. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.